Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for this Monday morning. And looking at the daily, now just bear in mind my broker doesn't trade over the weekend, so we do have gaps all over the place. But overall, the picture is exactly the same. And at the moment, we are heading for a death cross, which is a bearish cross of the moving averages. We are below the 155. Okay, we've sort of flirted around at the 155 level, and now we've broken below it. There's very little support left that we need to pay attention to. So the first area is right here, and that is where we had the buyer step in. The next area of support on the daily is down here, and that is 24,500. So that's the two areas of support that we have at the moment. If we switch across to the 4-hour, you can see a nice solid 4-hour pin bar. You would expect a second move down to come and test this pin bar, which is kind of what's happened. It's taken quite a few 4-hour bars to get down. Trend is down at the moment. If you look at that, no reason to be looking for any longs in this. Right now, if you're short, you're still holding pretty, and there's nothing really to worry about at that. You're moving a stop below these swing highs here. So what does it mean for all of the bears at the moment? I think you more than likely have 24,500 coming up if we get through this level here of 3,400. So you can see we are trying to stabilize. There's definitely merit in that thinking right now. We are trying to stabilize, and it's going to pop down to the hour here because that's going to give you another indication of the trend, and you can see the trend is pretty strong on the hour as well to the downside. So there's no reason to be looking for opportunities to buy into this just yet. I think these levels are going to be tested. So I just want to get back to the 4-hour. You want the bigger picture here. I still believe that this is the one area that needs to be paid attention to. That's 30,400, and then you have 24,500, which is the next level that needs to be tested if we get through 3,400. So those are two areas that I think you need to pay attention to. There's a lot of noise coming out of China. There's a lot of noise coming out of the US about regulation. And there's just inflation fear. There's all sorts of things happening. There's people, trading out of Bitcoin back into gold, and it's basically just a massive storm at the moment. And then you've got people like Musk who are putting out tweets which just put the market into even more panic. So for me, I'm staying away from this until we get some stability, and then I'll be looking to buy. And these are the two levels I'm paying attention to this week, and that's 30,400 and 24,500. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.